Welcome to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and strength building without the need for fancy gym equipment or heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises are a fantastic way to sculpt a stronger, more muscular physique, and in this video, we'll show you how. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your fitness journey or a seasoned enthusiast wanting to mix up your routine, you're in the right place. We'll explore the benefits of bodyweight exercises, emphasize the importance of proper form, showcase key exercises, and provide you with actionable tips to make progress. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals with just your body as your gym. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of bodyweight training, let's talk about why it's such a game changer for building muscle and strength. Bodyweight exercises offer a host of benefits that make them incredibly appealing. First and foremost, they're convenient. You don't need access to a gym or expensive equipment, all you need is your own body and a little space. Plus, bodyweight workouts can be done virtually anywhere, making them an excellent choice for those with busy schedules. They're also cost-effective, no pricey gym memberships or weights required. Another advantage is the flexibility they provide. You can tailor your routine to your fitness level, gradually progressing as you get stronger. And let's not forget about the versatility. Bodyweight exercises target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, enhancing both strength and functional fitness. Whether you're at home, in a park, or on the road, bodyweight exercises are your ticket to a stronger, fitter you. Push-ups, a classic upper body exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position, lower your body, and push back up. 1. Squats. Ideal for the lower body, working the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, then return to the starting position. 2. Pull-ups. Excellent for upper body strength, primarily targeting the back and biceps. Hang from a horizontal bar and pull your body up until your chin clears the bar. 3. Planks. Great for core strength and stability. Hold a push-up position with your weight on your forearms and elbows, engaging your core muscles. 4. Lunges. Target the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Step forward, bend both knees, then return to the starting position. Add weights for extra challenge. 5. Burpees. A full-body exercise combining squats, push-ups, and jumps. Squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, return to a squat, and jump explosively. 6. Dips. Focus on the triceps and chest. Use parallel bars or a sturdy surface, lower your body by bending your elbows, then push back up. You can add weight for intensity. Nutrition is vital for muscle building. Prioritize protein for muscle repair, along with carbs and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Adequate recovery, including 7–9 hours of sleep, stretching, and active rest, is crucial. Post-workout nutrition refuels your body, while listening to your body's signals and taking rest days when needed is key to preventing overtraining and promoting muscle growth and strength. Here are we discuss some of the SAMLY workout below. Full body beginner's workout. This beginner-friendly routine is perfect for building a strong foundation. Start with 3 sets of 10–12 reps for each exercise. Begin with push-ups for your chest and triceps, bodyweight squats for your legs, inverted rows using a sturdy horizontal bar for your back, and planks to engage your core. Rest for 60 seconds between sets and gradually increase reps or sets as you progress. Intermediate upper body emphasis. For those looking to focus on upper body strength, try this workout. Perform 4 sets of 8–10 reps for each exercise. Start with diamond push-ups for triceps and chest, pull-ups for back and biceps, and dips for triceps and shoulders. Add in some planks and Russian twists for core engagement. Rest for 45–60 seconds between sets. Lower body burnout circuit. To target your lower body intensely, complete this circuit-style workout. Perform 3 rounds of the following exercises with minimal rest in between: 15 bodyweight squats, 12 alternating reverse lunges each leg, and 20 calf raises. Rest for 1–2 minutes between rounds. This workout is fantastic for leg strength and endurance. Advanced total body challenge. If you're up for a demanding challenge, this advanced workout is for you. Perform 4 sets of 12–15 reps for each exercise. Start with explosive clap push-ups for chest and explosive power, pistol squats, single leg squats for legs, wide grip pull-ups for back, and hanging leg raises for core. Rest for 45–60 seconds between sets. This workout is designed to push your limits and boost both strength and agility. When engaging in bodyweight exercises, safety should be a top priority. Begin each session with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints. Maintain correct form throughout exercises to prevent injuries. Pay special attention to your back and joint alignment. If you're new to these exercises, start with easier variations to build a solid foundation before progressing to more challenging ones. It's crucial to listen to your body and avoid pushing too hard or ignoring pain. Discomfort is one thing, but sharp pain is a warning sign. Lastly, consult with a healthcare provider or fitness professional, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or concerns about your ability to perform specific exercises safely. Prioritizing safety ensures a more sustainable and injury-free fitness journey. Ready to kickstart your journey to a stronger and more muscular you? Click the link below in the video description to access our comprehensive workout plans, nutrition guides, and more exclusive content on our website. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your fitness routine and achieve your goals with expert guidance. Join us today, and let's get started on this exciting fitness journey together. If you like the video, click on the like button, and if you want more useful tips of health and fitness, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.